Schweppes brand was created in 1783. We've had a presence here in Australia for well over 100 years. We have a reputation for making and delivering premium quality beverages, and we aim to work closely with all of our customers to make their experience with us a positive one.
So we used to use a manual process of paper pick. The pickers would get their manual pick sheet and they'd have to go through that and product by product and pack route work out the best way to fit that onto the amount of pallets they were allocated from the transport company. This process would take 10 to 15 minutes. Due to a lot of the Schweppes products, descriptions were very similar, so if the picker didn't take the time to read it correctly, he would be directed to the wrong location, which then, especially for a main load where you're picking multiple customers' orders at one location, if you make an error, you make an error for every customer on that delivery for the day.
In our first week of running the system, we had a 90% reduction in errors that we saw from previous week. From a Schweppes perspective, the implementation was quite easy. We're very fortunate here to have a very engaged and very keen team who embrace the new technology. So they really wanted to get into the system as soon as they can. And one of the benefits of the system is that each operator sets their own voice template as part of the training. This way the system can identify how they say different words and different numbers, so there's no fear from any of the operators that it may not understand what they're saying. One of the great features of the new system is that we can train somebody to pick in a much shorter time than our old paper system. We were setting up a voice template for a new operator in about 10 minutes, and with supervision, a new picker can pick on their own within about 20 minutes. Under our paper system, it would take up to 2 weeks for us to be fully confident that a picker could work completely unsupervised.
The pickers are directed to where they're going by a headset, so there's no more manual intervention. They don't need to try and find the right location. The system directs them to the right location. They confirm that by using the check digit. The system tells how many cartons they need to pick. They have to confirm this back to the system, saying a carton count, and then it also directs them if they have to wrap the order or if they have to stage the order.
You approach the location that's given to you, and then you're given the check digit.
Go to location 3101.
94.
1.
1.
Go to location 7171.
Use of voice has made my job easier because you're not using the paperwork, so all you need to think about is pulling up the location it gives you, saying the check digit and picking the quantity you need.
Using voice in the warehouse has allowed us greater accuracy. We get to see the workload at the start of the day and we can flex our casual labour force around this rather than waiting end of the day and seeing how much work we've got. Allowed us greater accuracy for our customer deliveries, so we are delivering to customers in full and allowing us success in store.
You can definitely see it is a lot quicker. As a trainee, I know that from training paper and also training invoice picking, you pick it up a lot faster, and also it's a lot smoother.
The old system to prepare their work before they started picking would take 10 to 15 minutes. So throughout the day we could lose, up to an hour. Previously I'd have to manually go through each worker's paper, add up all their cartons for the day, add those cartons together, work out how many hours they've done, whereas now I press one button and I get all that productivity report straight away.
From an overall business perspective, the biggest benefit of voice was the opportunity to fully integrate all of our systems along the path of case picking. As a result, we're now more efficient, we're more accurate, we have better batch control at our pick face, and we're providing a safer work environment for our people.